What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Desiree Kennedy and I like to clean. A chore that I always put on the back burner is deep cleaning the bathroom, so we are going to go ahead and do that today. Michael was able to get a really long weekend because of Labor Day, so he had Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off, and it's really cool because we just get to be lazy and stay home and snack and, just hang out all day. But today's Sunday, and I figured Friday, Saturday was really lazy days, so today I should get something done. And then tomorrow, we're going to go to my mom's house, and we're going to have a cookout and swim, and it's just going to be a really good way to end a really good weekend. I went ahead and took down the shower curtains and the shower liner, and I'm going to go ahead and wash those now. And I'm going to show you guys what I like to use to keep the whites in my house super, super white. I'm using an OxiClean sanitizer because these items are in the bathroom, so they're just full of germs. And then I went ahead and used kind of knockoff OxiClean. It's just the Target brand, but it works super good and it's way cheaper than the actual OxiClean whitener. And then I also used bleach, and that stuff just keeps it really, really white and clean. I just put Comet all over the tub, and I'm going to let that sit while I scrub this for the first time. And I like to scrub the toilet and then put more Comet and let it sit while I go and clean the other toilet. And then I come back, clean it, and it's just a whole process. There she is, my cleaning buddy. She is always there, and she tries her best to try and help me, but sometimes she's just kind of in the way. But I'm always so surprised she's not in these videos a lot more, because she's literally just by my side the whole time I'm cleaning. I always see cleaning videos on TikTok where people will literally just scrub their entire toilet down, and I've always wanted to do that, so I'm probably gonna do that maybe a couple videos next, just because it looks like it cleans it so good. If you don't know what I'm talking about, they'll just get Lysol or Pine Sol or any sort of disinfectant and a mop bucket and water and just a scrub brush and scrub it all down, literally from top to bottom. Do you ever clean and when you're cleaning the item, it's just so dirty and you start feeling so bad? I was cleaning this because the tub was so dirty, and I felt so bad because this is the shower and tub that Michael mainly uses, and I felt bad that he had to shower in it, and it's just this just needed to be cleaned. I also went ahead and used the snake in the drain because it was also really clogged, and it just felt so good to do this because it probably makes it smell a lot better too, and it just needed it. And it was all worth it. The bathroom and the tub is just so clean now, and I'm so happy because it'll be clean for the new work week, and Michael can shower in a clean shower. The counter is just freaking full of junk, and whose junk is it? Mine. I just have so much stuff that can go anywhere and everywhere, so I gotta put all my things away. I'm editing this video and Zara's right next to me, and I was waiting for her to talk because she hadn't talked the whole time, but she just talked in the last voiceover I did, and she sounds so cute. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Hi. I'm also doing the snake in this drain because this drain was also clogged. We had to do the other bathroom a month ago because it was clogged, and I think it's just the tenants that lived here before us. They had a dog, so I just think that the dog hair was literally everywhere. It was so obnoxious. I'm worried that since I got Zara to talk, that she's gonna want to talk now, while I'm doing the voiceovers, but I'm also not worried because it sounds so cute to hear her talk. She has such a little baby voice. So I'm kind of like at this point of I don't want to use a mop in the bathrooms because it's just kind of gross. Like the idea of mopping the bathrooms and then using that same mop to mop the rest of the house, it sounds gross to me. We don't have a kind of mop where you can like throw the head in the washer, so I'll just use paper towels and disinfect it and just use that to quote unquote mop the restrooms. So when I'm cleaning, I almost feel like I always have to wear gloves because like most of the things that you're cleaning are just gross, you know, full of germs, whether it's from the bathroom or the kitchen. But I also hate it because if I get like the tiniest drop of water in my gloves, like it just feels so gross to me. And that's what happened when I was cleaning the shower in this first bathroom. Like I just got water in the gloves and I was like, I can't wear that. Like I just can't do this. So I had to take them off and let them dry. So I had no gloves to clean the next bathroom. So it was really gross. This might sound dumb or it might not, but I don't put the plastic liners in the dryer because I feel like it might melt in there, and also the little rings, I don't know, like they're metal, like if that can go in the dryer. So I just let them hang dry, and also it helps them not have as many wrinkles. Moving on to the second bathroom, it is basically the same process as the first. I couldn't show it that well, but the baseboards were so dirty. That was one of the things that I didn't really clean before we moved in. I tried to clean all the walls in the house before we moved anything in, but I didn't get these ones in the restroom. But I did it today, so it felt really good. This might sound bad, it might not, but there's just such a good feeling of cleaning. Like I think it's just the after part that I love the most, is that everything feels in place, it feels right. And like cleaning is one of the things that you can always have control over in your life. Like you can control if your house is a mess or if it's clean, you know? And I'm the kind of person that likes to have control in my life. So I think that's why I like to clean a lot, because there's literally most of the time there's no reason, especially as a stay-at-home mom, there's no reason for the house to be super messy. Like I have the time, I have one kid, I have the time and I have the energy to do it, so let's just do it. And I think that if Zara grows up and sees me cleaning as much as she does, she'll, you know, understand that it's important and that she can do it and will do it too, you know. And I like that, because even now she does try to help me with everything in her own little way. She doesn't do it 100% right, but even now at almost 2 years old, she'll see me cleaning and want to try and help. Anyway, I just cleaned the ceiling fan in our room. It wasn't as dirty as I thought it was going to be, but it was still pretty dirty. And I'm hoping this helps Michael with allergies, because whenever we turn the fan on, he always has such bad allergies. Today was one of those days where if it's in the way, it's in the way, and I wasn't about to pick anything up. I thought I clicked record and I literally wiped down my entire vanity, but it didn't record, so I only got this part. Usually when I'm cleaning and filming, the whole time I'm wondering, is this going to be enough footage? Is this going to be enough footage? And today I was so surprised because I had so many other ideas that I wanted to do and film, but literally what I did was way more than I was hoping for. You know, I like to think that laundry is not my enemy, but do you see this pile? I mean, did you see that pile? Did you see that huge pile? Zara's room is really not that messy, so I just went ahead and picked it up a little bit, and then I started on the laundry. And a disclaimer, she's not drinking soda, she's just drinking carbonated water. She's currently being a chatty Cathy, so I'm trying to capture some of it. Diaper? You haven't worn a diaper in months. I was trying to figure out why she said diaper, but we're watching a show and it's showing a baby, so that's why. But I had a potty training video from months ago, and I took it off my channel because I used my camera, like my actual camera, to record it, but like it made me look so weird and like ugly. Like, I don't know, like I used to use my camera to film, but like it just films so off, or like it transfers weird. I don't know, so I just don't film on there anymore, and I just use my iPhone and it works great. Like, I get everything in 4K. I love it. Me and Michael currently have 0 movies, 0 shows. Like, we have no idea what to watch nowadays. So if you guys have literally anything that you like I don't care what it is, we just need some interesting shows or movies, please drop them down in the comments. I think one of my favorite shows that we've watched is Succession. It is just such a good drama. It's on HBO. And I'm very particular about what I like. Like, I don't like shows with, like, a lot of sexual stuff. Like, I don't know. But that show is just so good. Like, it is drama. It keeps you on your toes. It's interesting. I highly recommend it. And I guess, I don't like it when it, like, actually, like, shows, you know, nudity. But things like Jersey Shore, like, I love that. So, like, that's hilarious, you know? Another one of my favorite shows is Modern Family. I don't care what you say. That show is so funny. I watched it 2 times from beginning to end. The first time was just kind of on my own, and then the second time was like a month ago. We just finished it. Me and Michael watched it, and it's just so funny. And I love the ending when it like kind of just shows them throughout the years as like, you know, real people, not just them in the show, and like you could just see how close they are. It's so cute, you know? And it's so funny because if you go to Universal's and ride the tram tour, they show you like the whole Modern Family neighborhood. And before watching the show, I like been there, and I was always so confused of like, why are they showing us like this freaking random neighborhood? Like, I do not care about this. Like, take me to Jaws. And now looking back, I'm like, I wish I appreciated it more because I freaking love Modern Family now. Zara's room is clean, the laundry is put away, and now we're just gonna hang up these curtains and put the rugs in. I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping up the video. Thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me. I really hope that this motivates you and pushes you, and you can do this. Like, if you got something to clean, like, you can do this. You got this. It's always going to be worth it. You'll never regret cleaning. I feel like it kind of goes both ways with cleaning or working out. Like, there's a saying, oh, the only workout you'll regret is the one you didn't do. And it's kind of the same with cleaning. The only cleaning you'll regret is the ones that you didn't do. Like, it's always, you just feel so much better and relieved after doing a chore that needs to be done. Been really good about posting at least every 10 days. So if you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm very active on there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later.